I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is our first week here in our new house. Good job. And Gigi's over here. Here comes Rosa, Queen Rosa.
Come on.
Did you guys already finish?
No, we haven't even started.
You're
We haven't started. Nobody wanted to help us. We're waiting.
Oh my god.
Are you hungry?
It's empty.
Happy Meal?
Come on in, I have the food. The bishop at my church and also the elders came by to help us unload this truck before I even got to the house. My husband and I were so thankful for that. This is Jenna. She's the one that offered us this house.
Now, I have to get home before sundown or else I turn into a pumpkin. I can't drive it.
1, 2, and...
I love you, girl.
I love you too!
Athena, are you gonna eat your Happy Meal?
What?
And I'm cleaning it out. I need to...
Alright, let's go inside, Gigi. Let's go inside. Look at the sunset. It's all over the house. The living room looks messy. And I love
I
it.
said, put this. Where are the kids? I got you. What you gonna do, Mama?
Bye, mi amor. Thank you for coming and all your help. Come back whenever you want,
You
okay?
want to move these or you want them here?
Thank you for the Starbucks, Evan. Thank you for all your help, everyone. Thank you. Where's Gigi? Oh, Gigi's over here. Gigi's waiting. Her big girl. Who is it?
You and tonight.
Athena wants to go.
Oh, say bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Lucy. Lucy, go. Say bye, Lucy.
She'll come back. She'll come back. We're trying to make our new house our home. And Leo is helping me unload. So is Christina. Good job. And Gigi's over here too. Yummy. I gotta fix the pan. For now, we're gonna leave it like that. Alright, so here's a little update of what I'm up to. The kids are asleep and I'm just pulling things out of the garage. I found a lot of new shoes that I got for Leo and also the girls. That is all Leo's pile. Over here we have the girls' pile. And look at all those cute shoes. Adorable. And then I have my pile for our bedroom. And then over there I have Diego's stuff. I mean, it's coming along. I'm sure by the time the kids wake up, I'll have a lot done. I plan on going to bed around 3 o'clock, so I have 5 hours of working. I'll have 5 hours to get everything situated. Evan is on his way home and I cannot wait to see his face because he has never seen all of this. All this is new, all of it. Especially the pans. I wanted to get new pans and I was pretty much shopping for quite a while and just storing it in the garage. And that's why I had so many boxes. And everyone kept telling me, what do you have in the garage? I was like, well, I have some things so when I move, I can, you know, have new pans, new utensils and all that stuff. All right, Daddy's home. Find the kids. I said find the kids.
Dude, like every light on the outside's so bright.
Is it? No, there's no curtain. Did you find them?
Yeah.
I know. They're all cuddled up.
Those cookies.
She said cookies.
Cookies.
Welcome to the house. Close your eyes.
Fuck. It's like
Oh.
half set up.
I'll give you a tour.
Did you spray the granite stuff?
No, not yet.
What?
I don't, because I just found it right now.
Oh, well, don't.
How did I do? I did it all by
Are you
myself.
keeping the white thing down here?
Huh?
How did you move that without breaking the leg?
Oh, Lisa's helped me before he
You're
left
keeping
to set
that
it
white
up.
thing down here?
Huh?
You keeping the white couch down here?
I guess.
Oh.
Something new. Look at everything. Oh my god. It's like Christmas, right?
What's the birds for?
Huh?
This is gonna get hella messy. What are the birds for?
Oh, I don't know. Just have them there.
Oh, what do you want me to look at?
Whatever.
Yeah, look at in my eyes. Look.
Oh my goodness. The sun. So bright. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Check that out. Oh my goodness. The best.
Spider girl, spider girl, spider girl. Who is she? Spider girl. Oh.
Gigi, you killed Daddy.
Oishi!
Oh, Daddy's dead. Daddy's dead. The first night we actually spent it in the playroom. We all cuddled up under the stairs. It was so cute. Athena was saying that there was spooky skeletons all over the house, so she didn't want to sleep anywhere else. It was so cute. But yeah, the first room that we got together was Rosa's room. We just wanted to make sure that she had her bed and the things that she needed. Then I believe the same night or the following night we put the curtains up. Rosa was so excited. You guys will get to see her reaction when she first saw her room.
Put a very high multiple on a growth stock that isn't going to deliver earnings until...
Alright, so now that this is our second day here, I have to seal all the granite, and then we also have to seal the tile. We're not going to do that today, but we will be doing that soon. I think tomorrow, because we need a broom. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. And we'll see how it goes. This is our first dinner, and we're having pizza and Jersey Mike's, chips and water. Very healthy.
Delicious though.
How do you guys like the new house?
I love it.
What about you, Leo? Do you like the new house?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Down.
Huh?
My room.
Your room. Nice. How about you, Tina?
Bunk bed.
The bunk bed? Okay.
My bunk bed. I picked it first.
How about you, Diego? What's the favorite part?
My room.
Your room. What do you like about your room?
No.
What do you like about your room?
To be alone in my room.
You don't have to share, huh? How about you, Gigi? What do you like about the new house?
The stairs.
You like the stairs? Oh, her beak girl. Yum, yum, huh? Diego's here! Daddy's here! Where's Rosa?
The cable guy's here?
Yeah, he. Here comes Rosa, Queen Rosa. Come on in, Your Majesty.
What? Oh my gosh, I didn't even see the vanity.
What do you think? You can stand up if you want, or have you stood up at all, or no? Oh, this is mine? Yeah. Oh, this is Leo's. No, this is your room. Oh, you broke it. Do you like it? Yep. A few days later, after we moved in, Evan got a chance to seal all the tile because the builder did not do that, so we were in charge of that. The first month in the house was very busy, especially with the kids. My garage was a mess, but I did get a chance to fix it, so now it looks good. But yeah, this is the view. kept my beige couch that I had on the previous home in the loft. I just put it on my living room here, and this is what we use, and it's nice because now we have more of a sitting area and it's really comfortable. The best part about the house, I think, is that I get to see the sky all the time. It's really, really nice. I love the mornings. I noticed that I have become a morning person because the sun is really on my face. I don't have blinds, I only have curtains, and they're really sheer. So yeah, we wake up at 6:30 and we're up as soon as the day starts. Come on, big girl, let's go. Oh, she big girl. All right, and you guys will see boxes everywhere. The garage, I'm gonna show you, but it's a mess. All right, so this is the garage. I'm gonna get rid of that coffee table right there. And then what else? I'm gonna get rid of a lot of things. I want to downsize. You would think that I would not, but I think I am. That shoe's too small. Hey, Gigi. Hi. Over here, I have some things that I'm gonna take for donation. And then this box is, I'm not sure what it is in there. This is all recycling. And then back there, I have my Christmas stuff. I just have to organize everything. This is the fridge that we have for the garage. And we're using that right now. I was just telling Evan that I'm really scared to hang things on the wall for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe because the house is new. I'm just more cautious of how it's gonna be. This dresser is gonna go upstairs. We have back there some bookshelves for the kids that are new, a new rug for my dining table, which I think I'll put it up today. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty messy, right? I never thought I would show you guys all this mess, but you know what? It is part of moving, so I'm sure it's totally normal. I am going to get rid of my sea gallery table. I don't want it. It's too dangerous. Since everything's glass and metal, I feel like the kids can get hurt. Oh, I don't think you guys know, but these are our pets. We have birds. I never told you guys, but yep, these are our pets. Then over here I have a lot of pillows, which I have to fix. I was thinking of putting them on here. Home decor items, where I'm going to be placing them. And I think I want to put it all the way back there. That's the plan. So that was my garage shenanigans. Good thing we have a garage door to cover it up. Anyways, let's go. We just got home. I went to Dollar Tree. We went to McDonald's, picked up some food because they were not in. So
I got this one.
yay!
Oh, that's...
Is that Ryan?
Oh, that's a boy, huh?
Yeah.
I see Gigi gorgeous. So here we have gorgeous Athena. What did you get, Tina? Can you show me?
And the boy.
The boy? What? From Raya. Leah, what did you get, mi amor? You got the boy too? Wow. What about you, Gigi? What did you get? You're gonna share, mi amor, okay? Wow, awesome. Alright, let me show you guys what I got. These are the little containers that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this is my food. Evan got a burrito right there. And this is my food. So yummy. Gigi, give Daddy a kiss. We are home now and we're gonna get the kids ready for bed. But before we do, they're gonna play with the train tracks. Is that fun, Leo?
Yeah.
And we all have a stuffy nose. Not fun, huh, Leo?
No!
I just took a Benadryl. I'm gonna go to bed soon, probably. And take a shower and just relax. We were just talking about the lights on the ceiling. Evan was saying, what's gonna happen when one of them goes off? And I said, we're gonna have to rent those little cars that you get from, what's it called? Home Depot. Hey, gorgeous. Hey, Bosa, is that fun? Hey, nice. You like it, Tina?
Yeah.
All right, so Evan is putting the kids to bed and I'm trying to unpack a few boxes. I want to show you the chargers that I just found. Aren't they so gorgeous? I got them a while back and I only used 4 of them. Now that the table is big, I'm gonna use 8. So I'm so happy I found them. And then over here we have more goodies. It's gonna be so much fun decorating here. But I am overwhelmed at the moment.
Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright.
Alright, Daddy needs to close his eyes.
Today.
Close your eyes. Here, Leo, it's right here.
Today.
Go, go.
Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Open. Open that. Dad.
Diego found it and he
Calendar or something?
no, open it up. I don't know.
Alright. It's super cool.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with us. Our first weeks here at the new house. I have so many more videos coming your way, similar style. Also, let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite part and if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.